You know, I like to show you guys how the cactus and the trees grow together. This isn't exactly symbiotic, it's not, but I'm showing you this is cow's tongue prickly pear, and it is growing all the way up through a mesquite tree. See this? So this is cow's tongue prickly pear. And it's like infiltrated. I don't even know if I'm using the right words. But it's all the way up through the mesquite tree. Isn't that amazing? It's got fruits all the way up there, blooms and everything. Here. See? It's just amazing.